Contact paper caused my breakdown, put me in the institution. My story.
Oh, I just am amazed at how good he is at this.
Who would have known putting contact paper on was a talent? You need to go.
This is my calling from God.
Everybody's got talent, Dave. I found this kitchen table on Facebook Marketplace, and it was the perfect size. It was 3 feet wide, which is a great size table to use multiple places. So I grabbed it up since it was free, but oh my goodness, this was the ugliest kitchen table I've ever seen. Had a hole in the middle where they were putting an umbrella, and it had been sitting outside for a really long time when I had got it. But I was pretty sure I could resurrect it, so I went ahead and brought it home, gave it a try. The legs were really super wobbly. So my first thing that I did was turn it over and then attempt to get the legs to not be wobbling anymore. I tried every Allen wrench I had. None of them fit, so I finally used a pair of pliers and just tightened it with a pair of pliers, which was kind of hard to do, but I got them tightened. So now that the legs were tightened, I was able to flip it over and then start the process of trying to peel all this nasty contact paper that's on here off. And boy, was that a job. So I started with the heat gun. And honestly, I thought this would take probably, I don't know, 30 or 40 minutes to get it all off. It did come up fairly easily when it was heated. But after about an hour of sitting out in the sun messing with it, I realized that this project was going to be way harder than I had ever anticipated. So I decided to go ahead and give up on that, and I took a razor blade and just scraped off all the big chunks. And just got all the big chunks scraped off. Then I went in and I filled my hole. I put some filler on the back of a paper plate to hold the hole on the bottom to keep the compound from falling through the hole. And then I filled the compound. My compound was kind of hard in my tube, so I don't know if it was getting old or what, but I got it all smushed in there. Then while the compound was drying, I started sanding the table. And I sanded and sanded and sanded, and all these brown spots is where water damage has happened, and the table was actually raised because it was a pressed board. So where the water had seeped in, it had actually raised the press board. So I was trying to get it sanded down enough so that it would be fairly flat. And honestly, that was taking a really long time too. So I just got the worst of it and left the rest, and it was a little bumpy but not too bad. So I decided to go ahead and just do the best I could. Got everything wiped down, cleaned up, let my compound finish drying, and then I started painting my sides. So I started with my chalk paint, and on the tabletop I wanted a brown. I don't know why I started with the black, I guess because I was tired, but got my brown layer along the top edge that was going to match my contact paper, and then I started on the bottom, which was going to be black. And so I got the black all painted on the legs and everything and let that finish drying. Then my drywall compound, then my wood compound was all dry, so I got that sanded down, wiped the table down again from all that sanding mess, and then started the contact paper, and what a mess this was. Now, we worked and worked and worked on this contact paper, and I will tell you, I will never buy this contact paper again. I think it was a couple of issues. The contact paper wasn't that great of contact paper. And so for some reason it was wrinkling even before I would even lay it down. So as I was peeling it off, it was kind of wrinkling as I was peeling it off, which is strange because I've used contact paper before and I've never had it do that. But this contact paper was super thin, and I think because it was so thin, it did not peel off as easily.
You have it even kind of
So-
along there.
The question is, why are we so afraid of contact paper?
Yeah.
Because here's the thing. The worst that'll happen is I'll rip it off and go buy another one.
But contact paper is a little bit tricky. They don't tell you this. It is kind of hard to get the bubbles out and get it straight. And once it sticks, it's stuck.
Okay, so then, all right. Okay. Oh my.
I'm going to help you if you need it, but I'm not going to jump in till you holler at me. Part of the secret too, you notice she only turned back about 2 inches of the paper. Don't rip all the paper off all the way down.
Oops. Okay, so no, I think was that too much on the table? Let's see.
Does that look pretty good?
Okay. So,
Feels good here.
pushing it down.
You can't see it maybe on the camera, but there's sometimes little bubbles and wrinkles that get in here. But it feels good.
Okay, I hope it's straight. Do we think it's straight?
Right there's what's going to show.
Well, you're
Okay,
gonna
I
find
think
out
so.
here in a sec.
I think it's straight.
Okay, so now let's pull just a little bit more.
Are you keeping it straight pretty good down there? Looking straight?
Well, we don't know. What if
We're
we
just
get
hoping
clear
and
down
praying.
to the end and then it doesn't?
Yeah, see what happens is if you don't get all these little wrinkles out when you get down to the very end,
That's not straight.
it won't be straight. Ooh, there's a big one.
Okay, I'm stressed out.
Worst case scenario, you just rip
Let's
it back
see.
up and redo it.
In.
Okay, I'm done.
So could you somehow, well,
Holy cow, I don't know which is worse, peeling the contact paper off or putting it on.
They're both really bad. I don't recommend using it, period. But let's keep going.
Wrinkling
Okay.
really bad. Well, not really bad, but it's wrinkling.
Enough. Those things will catch too when you're trying to do something on the table and it'll tear.
wait, what? Are they wrinkles I'm just not seeing?
Yeah, feel like over here. Can you
Oh, yeah.
see?
Oh, I didn't even see those with
Yeah,
my
but you
normal
can feel them,
eyeballs.
can't you?
Oh,
That's why we kept saying you can't see them in the camera, but you can really feel them. You think this is what, a failure? Dave's thinking it's a failure, Mom.
well, it looks like the contact paper itself from up here, where it's off the table, is already wrinkled.
Well, that's because we wrinkled it and I'm trying to...
So there's no way to do this where you do the paper and then like a resin layer on top of it?
Wow.
So then it's like a smooth surface?
Well, we could try Mod Podge, but the thing is, stuff doesn't stick real well to contact paper. That's why they use it on shelves and stuff.
Well, good luck.
Missed a minute. Thanks, good luck. So this is the point where we say, Houston, we have a problem. So I don't know if I should keep going or what, but it's really wrinkling and I just can't get it out. So,
There's
yeah,
gotta
but that's pretty bad. Man,
I hate
that's
that noise.
see, it started a wrinkle and it's just not
right
stopping.
there. not
It's
green,
almost like
rather
the
clear.
paper is having a problem here for some reason.
Yeah. It's just right there. Look at it, still wrinkling. Yeah. Okay, I think we should just go with the flow. It's going to wrinkle there no matter what you do. Is that doing better now? Oh, no, I can
Just getting
feel it.
worse.
All the way along.
Where are you doing it?
So now, there's no way to match it up.
Well, that's right here. What the?
Oh, did you get it stopped? Well, how'd you do that?
Right here. Well, I mean, there is one right here, but right here.
Okay. Well, Dave.
Well,
Keep going, Dave.
go for it, Dave.
No.
Come on, you can
going,
do
Dave.
it. This is your talent, Dave. Wow, who would ever have dreamed?
We did not know Dave had this
Using
talent.
contact paper. Where's the...
Wow, Dave.
What?
Look at you go, boy.
People have certain gifts in this world.
We just found Dave's.
Wait.
Who would ever have dreamed?
Well, maybe I should just work at a shop that does
Contact paper. That would be a different job, Dave. Unusual. You know, we laugh at that. But I would
There's
hire
probably a
somebody.
job
I would hire somebody to come put my contact paper on. As much trouble as I've had, I would actually pay somebody to do it.
Maybe I should do a Bob Ross show
On how to put contact paper down.
doing contact paper.
It might go viral, Dave.
It's just a happy little accident.
A happy little accident.
Even joking. If you perfectly put on contact paper. Okay, well I think that's it.
Contact paper caused my breakdown, put me in the institution. My story.
My daughter caused me to be institutionalized. And her projects.
The details at 10. Oh, crud. So I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but the contact paper is two different colors. This one's more yellow,
Darker, yeah, a little bit darker.
and this is more gray. You know, sometimes just buying it off of Amazon is worth the $250. I will admit right now, I'm just telling you the way it is.
Mom said doing contact paper is going to put her in the asylum.
I don't know. Pretty relaxing.
He thinks it's relaxing.
You think it's relaxing?
Okay.
It needs to go like 2 millimeters this way, Dan.
Towards me.
Towards
Us.
me.
Okay, now
Yeah,
it's
right
off
there.
here then.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Really?
See? I had it lined up exactly on.
Okay, so here's what we'll do. So let's just get it on as straight as we can, and then let's take the extra pieces and just plop them all over to cover all the wrinkles. And then we'll just have a newspapery kind of a print. Okay?
So you're just going to have Dave whoosh it on.
I'm gonna have
and
Dave
then-
woosh it on,
and the extra pieces
then
we'll
we'll
just put on top
put
for
extra
design.
pieces for
Wow, this is a
design.
lot of pressure.
Okay, Dave, you can do this.
This is a lot
Well, I
of
need
pressure.
help starting
Do
it
some
because we can't
exercise on your
wind
arms
up.
to get them,
What
you
kind of-
know, loosened up a little bit here. Exercise
You're just
arms.
mocking me at this point, aren't you?
Okay, Dave.
I would
Hold.
not mock you.
Okay, so now.
Oh, this part is already wrinkled.
I see that.
But it should be on the edge.
It was lined up perfectly there, but it wasn't lined up down here at all when you did
Finding
that.
more wrinkles in this one on the left. Okay. Pull like 2 inches. Up.
Wow, I just am amazed at how good he is at this.
Who would have known putting contact paper on was a talent? You need to go
This
on
is my calling from God.
Everybody's got talent, Dave.
What? Oh, do I have to? I have to switch. Wait, hang on. Wait, camera angle. Wait.
You're sounding like you've been doing this for years and years. And
I gotta record this just in case I need it for employment reasons.
employment reasons.
Hang
To
on.
show off your talents, huh, Dave?
Yes. Okay. Okay, we're good.
Sorry.
And it'll cut the paint maybe when I go through this. I'll do it lightly. I'll move your hand.
Okay. That's good. I'm good. Okay.
Boy, I didn't even hurt the table or anything, so that looks pretty good.
How
Yeah.
thick the blade is.
I think that's going to be okay.
Go for it.
That doesn't look even down here on the table, but it's okay. I'll go for it.
Well, there's a slight divot, but it's fine. Oh, and then there's one right here too.
Well, I'm going to divot your divot.
I'm sorry. Okay. Hey, I'm the guy who just perfectly laid out 2 sheets of
Oh, so we
contact.
so we should listen to you. That's true,
I deserve
Dave.
some respect.
You do. You know
right.
your divots, don't you, Dave?
Yes.
Goodness. Do I need to get rid of this divot for him, or is he going to be okay with it?
Oh, have mercy.
Oh, do you need me to?
Yes.
Do your magic, Dave. Do your magic.
Well, it's kind of hard with the wrinkles under it.
I know. I
Especially
struggle
this
with it every morning myself. The same thing, putting my makeup on.
Wow, man.
With all the wrinkles under it.
Probably.
Yeah, that looks good. You know, that's one thing people got to realize. I do this in quilting too. I can make some of the biggest boo-boos, but some of the prettiest quilts turn out when you're trying to fix that mistake that you made and you come up with a whole different design. So not to get discouraged and just toss things, just keep working on them until
So
you
how's
get
that
them.
looking, Dave?
I want people to realize we were stressed out doing this and we were about ready to give up, but we kept going, and you just keep adding and adding and figuring out, how can I make this work?
Well, and this took me about an hour's worth of work with prepping it, trying to get it all figured out. And if I would have not been peeling, it would have taken me about 30 minutes prep work. Then it took me about 10 minutes to paint it. And then we spent about an hour with 2 of us. So for 4 hours worth of work, maybe 3 to 4 hours, probably 3 to 4 hours, we got probably a table that would be $150, $200 probably.
Oh yeah.
So that's not too bad.
Yeah. Turned out really nice.
And here it is in the office. I think it ended up looking really good. We finally got a nice job. Yes, it was completely frustrating. Wanted to tear my hair out. But I think in the end, it ended up being really nice. And I'm glad we did it. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. And we will see you guys next time.